Hello, welcome everybody here. This is Kapildev Sharma, one of the English faculties at Oliveboard, and in this short video, I'll mention the best I can various details about SSC Selection Post, including the eligibility criteria, educational qualification, age, nationality, documents required, and many things such. Before that, let me mention each and every year, SSC releases notifications for various posts in various departments through various examinations. All of us know the most aspired one is SSC CGL. Apart from that, CHSL, MTS, CPO, Steno, etc. So just like SSC releases notifications for MTS, CHSL, and CGL, which are 10th level, 12th level, or graduation level, in the same fashion, we have here for the 10th level, 12th level, and graduation level also in the SSC selection post. If I mention all things in a nutshell, we'll discuss in detail. Then the age is supposed to be 18 to 30, basically. If you belong to some special category, you get relaxation also. If we talk about nationality, obviously India, but under some circumstances we get for Nepal, Bhutan, let me mention in detail. Documents required, that's a certificate which you're going to apply for, your passport size photo, 10th mark sheet, and everything such. So let's discuss all these things in detail. SSC selection post eligibility and required documents we are going to discuss in this video. Yes, the educational qualification, let me say, for various posts, the 10th pass, the matriculation level required for some posts, 12th pass, the higher secondary level required for some posts, and the graduation one, the bachelor's degree or something such required for those higher level posts. If we talk about age, minimum is 18, maximum is 30, differs for various posts, and you get relaxation if applicable as per the government norms for some categories like SC, ST, OBC, PWD, or anything such as mentioned in their notification. If I mention the nationality, you must be an Indian citizen for sure, but citizens of Nepal, Bhutan, and certain categories of refugees can also apply under specific conditions. All these things are clearly mentioned when they release the notification. Do check that one. If we discuss the documents required, those important ones, then you must have that education certificate, like you're applying for 10th, 12th, or graduation. All these mark sheets out there. You must have the recent passport size photo. You must have your scanned signature, your identity proof, Aadhaar card basically, but maybe PAN card, passport, and driving license and such. So obviously these are required to apply. And how to apply? Okay, there may be some additional documents if you are applying for those posts or under those categories. Caste certificate if you belong to those, SC, ST, OBC, EWS, PWD certificate if applicable, domicile certificate if required for that post particularly, or experience certificate if required for that post particularly. So how to apply? Open SSC's official website, ssc.nic.in. Check the application form, the notification out there, fill in the form and upload those required documents and pay the application fee online if applicable for you, which is also mentioned clearly. Thank you so much for staying connected. Stay connected here for upcoming videos, classes for free also on YouTube. There's special classes. Do subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Would love to see you in another video, in another class. Thank you.